The third type of resource you can use in Microsoft Project is the cost resources. Cost resources define a fixed cost, like the cost of equipment your employees need, or a one-time resource cost such as plane tickets. Since you will probably book and pay for plane tickets on the beginning of a business trip, the cost should be accrued at start. Click on the first empty line of the resource sheet. Type the resource name, set the resource type to cost, set the accrued date to start. As with all the types of resources, we can edit and change resource information at any time. Let's see the following example. Find the contractor's fee resource, and set the accrued date to start. When it is time to assign a cost resource to a task, make sure to remember to add a cost to them. This cost will be linked to that specific task assignment. Go to the Gantt chart view from the icon in the bottom right of your window. Find Task 21, double-click on it, click on the Resources tab, assign the Plane Tickets resource, and change its cost to 1000. This cost is now specific to this task assignment. Being able to link the cost of a cost resource to a specific task assignment means that you can add the same cost resource to a number of tasks using different costs for each one. For example, plane tickets don't cost the same always. Click on the Gantt chart icon of the ribbon to go to the Gantt chart view, find the first task and double-click on it, go to the Resources tab, add the plane tickets resource, assign $1,000 cost to it and click on OK. Find the other task and double-click on it. Add the plane tickets resource again. But this time, assign a $500 cost to it and click on OK.